Hey, it's Ron. I'm going to play this video to pretty much introduce what's going on.
Hey, it's Ron. Today we're gonna wait for it. Okay, just wanted to make sure we get enough noise. Today we're gonna check out the how to take noise out of a video, kind of like a computer fan. Like my beast over there on the ground. In some of my older videos, you can probably hear the background noise. So yeah, let's get into it with this short little video.
Alright, so it's pretty much that there. I'll link the programs in the description. The first program you'll see down here at the bottom, well, you probably won't see it, but it's a free video to MP3 converter. There's a lot of different ones, YouTube downloader, YTD abbreviated. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use this. I'm going to link this down there. And the second program is Audacity. Let's get started with this one here. So first we're going to do add files. Alright, and we'll just select the video, wherever you have the file actually at. Mine for this video is on the desktop. So we'll hit open. And I always do mine on the insane quality. Unless you could go to extreme if you really wanted to. I don't know why would you want to though. But no, I just keep it on that right there, and you just can't convert. And it's done. And since this is a freeware program, as soon as you hit the X up here at the top, it does, like on my version, it pops this up every time. You just hit the X and you're good to go. It does make this playlist. I just delete that. There's no need for that. Alright, so now what we have is the audio file.
Hey, it's Ron. Today we're gonna.
Anyways, alright, the Audacity. Alright, we're going to go to File, then we're going to go to Open, and we're going to select our actual MP3 we just made here. And after that's loaded up, you're going to hear the fan noise there.
Hey.
Alright, what we're going to do is actually select the fan noise. Just left click and highlight it. And you can see, this is fan noise here. And we're going to go to, actually, the version of it, of Audacity I'm using is 2.1.2. Just for the sake of this video, so you know which one I'm using. Alright, we're going to go to Effect, and then we're going to go to Noise Reduction, and then Get Noise Profile. And then you're just going to click a blank space in the filter, so it unhighlights right there. Then we're going to go back to Effect, and we're going to go to back to Noise Reduction, and then right here is 12 by default. I keep it to 20 because that's how I roll. And we're going to hit OK, so it removes the previous noise profile from the entire audio. And now you can see it's a thin line now, so that is actually gone.
Hey, it's Ron.
Alright, so yeah, you see how it's gone there, so you don't have a problem anymore. That annoying fan noise is gone.
Hey, it's Ron. Today we're gonna.
And it's actually gone, through the entire, like I said, the entire audio.
Just wanted to make sure we get enough noise. Today we're gonna.
And now we can go to export audio. You could go to export selected audio. That's for like making ringtones and whatnot, but that is it for another project if you want. Just click export audio. And since I already have a noise reduction named, I'm going to actually change that to no noise. Alright, I just keep it on insane and fast and then save. You can change these items if you want. I never do because it's not necessary. And you just hit OK. And it exports it out, and that is all you have to do. I don't ever hit to save. So now we got this file right here. You got that new one. With
hey, it's
no
Ron. Today we're gonna.
And then we've got Movie Maker, which is what I'll be using for this video here. It's free, comes with older versions of Windows, and Windows 7 it comes in the Windows Essential package that you can download from their website. I use this because, like I said, it's free. It's not in Windows 8.1 or 10, so for those you'll have to use Premiere and whatnot.
Hey, it's Ron. Today we're gonna wait for it.
Today we're gonna wait for it. No, you go to Edit, and then you go to Video Volume, and then just drag it all the way to the left, which is Mute, and that'll mute the sound. And then next, we can get our new audio file that we just created with. Just drop it there at the front of the video so it syncs up correctly. And now we have a work of art.
Hey, it's Ron. Today we
have a video anyway.
Okay, just wanted to make sure we get enough noise.
Alrighty. I'm going to go full screen here. Go back to home and save movie. And I've got this for 1080p at 60 frames a second because that's what I currently have my camera on. And we can just name your file whatever you like it to be. Mine, I'm just going to put removed. And you can just wait, depending on your computer, it may take a while. Yeah, but like I said, you can easily use Premiere and do the same exact process, just with Premiere instead of Movie Maker. Premiere, you'll get your base window, and you can just click the button that says Drag Video Only, so there's no muting audio. You just drag the video down to your timeline, and then add your MP3 that you made. And that's pretty much the same thing we did here. We just muted the audio instead of dragging no audio in, if that makes any sense. Few more moments, seconds. Alrighty. And we're done. And we're just going to close this and that into new. Alright, so now we've got the new video here and the original here. Take a listen.
Hey, it's Ron. Today we're gonna
what, Ron? Tell us! Sorry guys.
Hey, it's Ron. Today we're gonna
It's a lot more silent-er. Yeah, that's a word, guys.
Okay, just wanted to make sure we get.
So yeah, like I said, I'll link the two programs in the description. Hey, give it a like, guys. If you like it, that is. Comment, let me know.
Loving HD.